Follow me, like and share why I show you how to do oil change in 2024 Honda CHR. This is the engine. It's a brand new car. This is the engine. You can see the year here, 2024. So I'm hoisting the car up for easy access. Hoisting the car up. Then the splash shade. This is the splash shade. You take that off. You take the splash shade off. Take off the screws. Take off the screws on the splash shade to have access to the oil drain plug and the oil filter. Taking my oil catch pan. This is my 17 socket, my oil filter wrench and my ratchet. Breaking the oil drain plug open. Raising up my oil catch pan to avoid spill on the floor. Kindly like, share. That's the drain plug. Like and share this post. Like, share, and follow my page for more of this easy way to do and work on your car yourself. This is the oil filter I took off from the car. So putting the drain plug back, you have to put a cross washer. Anytime you do oil change, you need to change your cross washer. It's very important to avoid oil leakage from the drain plug. This is the new oil filter I'm putting on. It's an OEM Motormaster oil filter. So before you put on the oil filter, you have to fill in the recommended oil on the oil filter. For this car, the recommended oil is 0W20. That's the recommended oil for this car. Fill it up, then with your clean hands, you touch the oil to rub the seal. That is very important because it helps to get the oil filter out in the next oil change very easy. Make it come off very easy. Kindly like, share, and follow this page for more. It's a do-it-yourself page. I will be showing you a lot of mechanical works that you can do yourself and save yourself some money. So when tightening your oil drain plug, you don't need to crank too hard. It's recommended you use a torque wrench. As you can see, after tightening my oil drain plug, that's brake clean. I'll spray some brake clean on it to clean off the spill oil on the oil pan. You do same with your oil filter as well. You spray some brake clean. So very important, you have to put back the splash sheet. Anytime you're working on the car, make sure you leave it the same way you met it. So bringing the car down now. Bringing the car down, you can see that's the oil cap. It's written on it 0W20 for oil, recommended oil. So I'm using the synthetic oil, Castro oil for this car, 0W20. Kindly like, share, and follow this page for more. Like, share, and follow this page for more. Check to be sure your oil is up to gauge. For this car, the recommended oil capacity is 5.7 liters. 5.7 liters. So I haven't put in the gauge of 5.7 liters. You start up your car, let it run for a while, then you put it off, come check your oil gauge again to be sure it's up to gauge, so it's correct. Then you check your fluid, do coolant top up your coolant, as well top up your windshield fluid. These are very important. They are essential for roadworthiness. So as you can see, I'm done with the oil change. Now I need to reset the oil life. You can see the interior of the 2024 Honda CHR. You can see, so to do that, you turn on your ignition, you start up your car. When you start up your car, you can see it's showing oil change recommended. So on here, go to home, scroll to vehicle settings, click on vehicle settings, click on maintenance, then on here select all due items, reset, click on reset. You can see maintenance information has been reset. So your oil life reset is done. That is all you need to do to change oil in 2024 Honda CHR. Kindly like and follow this page.